Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ice cream graham cake. First, gather all your ingredients, including a pack of graham crackers and about 1.5 quarts of your favorite ice cream. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened, which makes it much easier to spread. Prepare an 8 by 8 inch baking dish, ready for your first layer. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion. Now, let's start building those delightful layers. Begin by placing a single, even layer of graham crackers at the bottom of your prepared dish. Next, spread a generous, smooth layer of the softened ice cream over the crackers. Repeat this process, alternating between graham crackers and ice cream until you've used up most of your ingredients. Aim for at least 3 layers of each for a satisfying treat. Once your layers are complete, it's time for the fun part, adding toppings. You can drizzle chocolate syrup, sprinkle crushed nuts, or add fresh fruit like sliced bananas. Cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap or aluminum foil to prevent freezer burn. Then, place your cake in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set completely and become firm. When you're ready to enjoy your masterpiece, remove the ice cream graham cake from the freezer about 10 minutes before serving. This brief resting period will make it easier to cut. Use a sharp knife to slice the cake into individual portions. Serve immediately to enjoy its creamy texture and delightful layers. It's a simple, no-bake dessert that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.